Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video, back for another haul. Gamestop had this stuff and save promotion going on where you buy this bag for like $7.99, and it's a nice bag. I mean, it's a Nintendo bag, as you can see there. Really nice. So I'm gonna keep the bag, obviously, so it's worth it. But then you can stuff it with as much accessories. There's a couple of limitations, but mostly just like all the accessories and stuff and clothing, and you get 25% off each item. So I was like, hey, that's a good promotion. Let me do that and share with you all. The Switch giveaway that I'm doing from yesterday's video that a lot of you missed, giving this away. Actually, I'm not, Slick Raps is. So go to yesterday's video to watch it to see how to enter. I would appreciate that. All right, so let's take a look. Obviously, the first thing is this Cappy hat. Now, I have a Cappy visor hat, but I've never owned the full hat, so this is like really cool. Can I? Ooh. Okay. Okay, I see you. I might have to keep this on the whole video. Do I have to get shorter? So you okay? Actually, there's another hat in here, so I'm probably not gonna keep this on. So I'll just put it right here because I just saw the other hat. I forgot what I ordered. Oh, ordered or bought. Here's the receipt. Let's see. Actually, what was my total? I went kind of crazy. Oh, so. $75. Okay. So these I didn't have. All right, this is not Nintendo, but let's just get this out the way. It's like yesterday's video, not actually Nintendo, but look, I saw that sitting. What was it, like $4.99, I believe, and I was like, oh, I saw this at Toy Fair, and I didn't know it came out. So Wonder Woman. Okay. So that is the Wonder Woman car. Pretty cool, pretty cool. That's gonna go in my collection right here. This one, I have, this is, it says new, but I don't know how long it's actually been out. I have the other Hot Wheels cars. I don't have the Donkey Kong car, and that was like $4.99. So let's see, there's Mario, Luigi, Yoshi, Princess Peach, Bowser, Toad, Donkey Kong. 1, 2, 3, 4, because I have 6. So I have those 6, so now I have 7, and I call this the Dashi-mobile. So, yeah, that is actually really cool. And it has a nice little barrel in the back. Awesome. This is a snapback Pokemon hat. I don't know why I paused there. I was like, what kind of hat is it? It's Pokemon. It says right there. And this actually looks really cool. What was the price on this? This wasn't too bad. $16.99, take away 25%. Not bad. And I mean, even if you never wear it, it's like a really cool collectible. Like, that's actually awesome. No? All right, so speaking of Pokemon, since we're there, I like coffee cups, and I don't even drink coffee, so it's weird. Obviously, it's ceramic. I'm not gonna be as crazy opening this, because things can go wrong really fast. And, oh, this, I mean, I saw it in the store, but I didn't see this in the back. So, Pikachu in the front right here, and look at all of the different Pokemon that are represented, and they're not stickers. They're actually like kind of etched in there, but you can feel them on the cup. It's actually awesome. And then it's yellow inside, very cool. Do not microwave. That is actually good for me to know, because I will not know that. So don't microwave this cup if you get it. Clothing was also 25%, just like the hat. So I found, is this a one-day shirt? Yeah, like one day I'll be able to wear this. So I just thought it was like really cool. It's clean. Let me just show you. So that's Mario riding Yoshi. Is that from Super Mario 3? I feel like it is. This was clearance. Now this wasn't part of the 25%, but I just wanted it anyway. So the lady was like, you know you don't get a discount on this. I'm like, because it was already discounted. It was 30 bucks, now it's $19.99. And it's a collectible lunchbox kit. So I guess it has a lot of little things in it. I like that. Wow, I'm gonna figure out where to put this. That's a nice lunchbox. I wish I was back in school. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is nice. So you get like a Joy-Con holder like that. This is made by Power A. I have definitely showcased their products before. I really do like their accessories. Oh, 20 bucks for that, and you get some headphones. I ain't mad. There's a couple other things too. I ain't mad. So they're not branded like Mario or anything, but just some regular earbuds. What is this, a mouse pad? Oh, so this is like, oh, I guess it's to wipe your screen. So that's actually kind of cool. So it has Mario Odyssey there, and it says Mario Odyssey in the back. And this is like a screen wipe. You can use for your eyeglasses, kind of wipe them and keep them clean. So you keep this in your pocket and be styling and profiling. No one says that. We have another cup. I forgot I ordered 2 cups. I keep saying ordered. I was there in the store when I did this. And so this is I guess I'll show you the thing. Dang. This is a Super Mario. This is honestly just regular Super Mario. Okay. Super Mario on this side, really clean, really cool. And then actually Mario right there. And clean in the cup. This one also says do not microwave. And so don't do it. This is a keychain holder. This is why I like lifestyle stuff like this. That's why I like doing what I do, because you get to, I mean, this is stuff that you need to use, but you can use things that you like Mario or Wonder Woman or whatever, and just make it look a little bit better. So this is a keychain holder. And I just think that's really cool. It has a Yoshi egg. It has Mario writing on Yoshi, and you hold your keys. So you mount it to the wall. So I guess you put the screws there. It said it came with a mounting kit. I guess it lied. Oh, I see how the. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, so you put this part on the wall, and if the screws were in here, you screw that to the wall, or wherever you want. Like you can put it on a dresser or something. So that's the egg, and then your keys will always have this on it, and it has a magnet in the back. And let me just get a little closer and show you what that looks like. That looks really cool. And then when you get home, all you do is just mount your keys there, and they have a little thing here, just some divots to make sure it doesn't like fall out, just in case your keys are really heavy. And then there you go. You hold it. You have your keys near the door, or a place that someone to break in, they ain't gonna go grab your keys real quick, or they can like reach their hand in, and then your keys are hanging up. But it's Mario and Yoshi, so like, why not? Where are my screws? I mean, I know I got a screw loose, but how come the screws are loose? That's just a nice Nintendo-based haul, with the exception of Wonder Woman, but I'll put Wonder Woman with Nintendo. Hey, if you could do me a favor in the comments, I know there was a lot of stuff here, but actually it really wasn't. Let me know what your favorite item was that you saw. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Likes are appreciated, and if you're new, subscribe. I do unboxings and hauls of all kinds of stuff. Matter of fact, in the comments, if you have suggestions of things that are not just gaming that you want me to showcase, let me know. Like, the sky's the limit. I like all kind of stuff, and so it's about me. it's about me and the stuff I like. But if there's something that you might think I like that is kind of not in this realm, let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye.